And we are down. Hey!
Hello and welcome back to the channel on the Muddy Horse. We're gonna make a short video over here.
Yeah.
Chris is gonna beat me up today.
Nah. Easy.
We got some nice tannery up there. Easy for him to say. Enjoy.
Yay! On the road again. We're gonna have some fun. And we are on the gravel. Ah, Chris is just taking off. Ah, this guy does not wait. Wow, we're exploring some new places. Oh, I love those. Do not enter, huh? No maintenance in the winter. Yay! Oh, nice do that real quick. Not bad. A little loose. Wow, I got bad tires for this. Really bad tires for that. That was a job. I gotta get tired. And we are back to one of those roads. They are not maintained. Oh, let's close the helmet. Oh, he's splashing around. Sandy. For me, I just worry about Molly. Oh, sand. Let's try. Sand hill, huh? Gonna go fully manual. Oh. It was all over the place up there. Oh yeah, it's sandy. Sure. And we are done again.
I'm not giving up. I will try one more time and see what happens.
Yeah, I know.
And then let it carry you up and over.
And unfortunately, I let off the gas, and that's it. I'm done. No more climbing.
Woo! Little soft over here. Yeah. Whoa! Time to turn this thing around.
So now it's time to turn the bike around. Yeah, this is gonna be a little tutorial how to turn the bike around in a deep sand. Let's start from lifting the bike first. Yeah, my big mistake right here was not to filling the hole with the sand and just sticking the bike right inside the hole created by the rear tire. But I managed to wiggle it out of the hole. It's very steep hill. It does not show on the camera actually right here in this moment how steep this hill is. Plus being very, very sandy, plus me not having the proper tread on the tires. Plus carrying the luggage, which is actually empty, but I just left it under in case the bike falls, it doesn't fall flat. Over here you're gonna see how steep the hill actually is, because I'm keeping the bike straight, and how soft the sand is too. The bike is actually in the straight position right now. So now you can see the steepness of the hill, and this is one of the techniques of turning the bike around. Yeah, just wiggle your front wheel back and forward. I went a little bit too high up there, and slowly get it out. And as I'm fighting with my bike, Chris is having fun riding back and forward on this sandy hill. Hey, I'm out. And look at this, Chris having fun here. I would do the same thing if I will have a big nabbies.
Whoa. That's a long walk, guys. I kind of knew I'm not gonna be able to make this hill, but you gotta try. You always have to try.
Okay, the bike is out. We're gonna avoid this little hill. Chris doesn't have so much fun with me. I'll keep getting stuck and dropping the bike. Chris is not taking that one. Not taking. The easy way.
must be only in Canada. You can find a red couch in the middle of the forest.
Okay, business with couch is over. That was funny. I was looking for gears. Wow. I like. Ice. Oh. Ha ha ha. Pick the right line so I don't go in there. Oh. And we are down. Yay! That deserves a picture first. Deserves a picture, man. Still recording. Bent my rear brake. Gonna have to get that fixed.
Oh yeah. First day on the trail. Okay, let's pick this up. Oh, my glasses. Oh, don't want to drop those. What is the damage? Oh, we got it bent a little bit. We're gonna straighten this out. Not a big deal.
So over here we had an ice storm not that long ago. Freezing rain, yeah. So that's why There is so many trees down over here. Look at that. Big trees. Oh. That looks slippery. Looks slippery. Follow you. Oh, look at the trees. Wow. They actually clear up the road already. We got such a side wind actually over here. And we're actually riding sideways. Like not sideways, but with a pretty good tilt. It's all open. Open field. So we arrive at Flying Scroll. Let me grab the keys. Oh, look at this. The bike looks much better now. Oh yeah. Let's get caffeinated. Oh.
Hey guys.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
Not a bad day for a ride.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah. Good day for a rep. That might be fun, right? There's a little panel with all the different emotions.
So this is the Flying Scroll Climber location, and a couple of arts, motorcycle arts. Lunchtime.
Let's do it.
And right after lunch we hit the trails again. Time to explore a little bit more of this part of the Ontario.
Some big puddles here. Oh, this is nice. And we have an obstacle. I don't think so. That looks so nice. And we found another road, which is no winter maintenance. What is up the winter? Oh, there is no maintenance. Oh, there is maintenance. Look at that. They cut down the trees. Nice. old tractor. What a nice place. This little creek that's running down over here. My traction control is on. Some big boulders here. And reminds me why the Highlands call my mom. That's no fun. And those tires are no fun. But I'm still up. Yay! Oh man, I need new tires. Next time I come here, it's gonna be on a brand new tires. not that bad. I thought it's gonna be actually worse. We were talking about this section earlier. It's supposed to be very, very, very muddy. It's very sandy. Very, very sandy. This section is sandy actually, even in the regular season, so that's nothing new.
So this is it for adventure. First adventure of the year. A little sideways. Yeah, it's a little hard to ride the bike on the side of the bike, huh?
Yeah, just
Okay.
let it rip.
That's
Just
it.
give her. Just give her.
Okay guys, be good, ride safe. Peace. See you later.